Good morning, guys. Well, if you've been following us on this channel and you guys are subscribed, all that good fun stuff, this isn't coming to us as a shock. This drop here, I actually kind of called out to you guys that we're expecting the count to go into the high 1.4s. So let me show you guys a look at the portfolio this morning. We did dip down 150. We're at 148, exactly kind of where we were predicting this would move down to. So I do believe this is just a healthy higher low formation in the market to actually just continue this move up here. But this trajectory of acceleration was going far too fast in the market. So we're going to talk about that today, guys. And honestly, I see and sense some good scalping positions coming up here to make some money. So we'll go over that, guys. 121 wins, 0 losses. We ended up taking our last win here on Luna, which was 5.31% on our 50% exit. And then I actually moved up to 50% stop loss again, and we locked in another 50% at the same percentage. So we ended up winning that trade for 5.31%. We honestly, guys, won our 121st, 120th, and 119th win, all those 3 wins very quickly because we were looking at this, expecting this drop to come back down. So good job. You guys all secured those profits before we went back down. That's just compound interest in your guys' accounts. Guys, come trade with us. Come trade with us. You're going to have a blast. We hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube. And even in a crash like this, I'm going to teach you guys and show you guys today why your accounts are going to stay healthy, because we use dollar cost averaging, and it is the healthiest way to trade in this market. So how low are we going to go? Let's talk about that today. Retail traders are waking up this morning seeing red everywhere. Almost all of their retail trader indicators, except for the 200 moving average on the 4-hour, is bearish. So they're probably going to look to continue to sell this morning. Can I switch us over here really quickly to take a look at the S&P 500? I've been calling this to you guys. This is what we're looking for, is if this came back up here, and I told you guys it loves double top formations. If you guys were look at the past videos I've done here, this was expected to see a move back down. We got it. It actually gapped down. It's a technical term called gapping down for market opens. And guess what, guys? The market gapped down, and we're starting to move back down. Where is the S&P 500 going to go? Well, the next structure support is right here. It's down here at about 441. It was at 450, okay? But we broke down below 450 up here. Now the next spot I'm looking for is this bounce zone. Let me actually put this on here. You guys should all be having this on your charts, and you should be watching this because this will affect crypto. You guys need to be watching this level right here, 441.50. That is the place where I do expect to see us possibly head back down to. Now, trend exhaustion is low. Well, money flow is coming down low as well, which in the past when this has happened, we have actually seen some incredible springboard actions back up. So this is why I'm telling you guys, I'm not nervous about this whatsoever. I hope you can hear this in my tone this morning. I called it out last week actually, that we're expected to go below 150, and that's totally okay. Now, looking at this price versus well money flow trend exhaustion, we see well money flow heading out here a lot. What we actually were seeing, and I've been calling this out on a few other videos just so you guys can be aware of how to read this, is we started to see this little bit of form of divergence going on where we've got this high and another higher high in price action. But over here in the same duration, we've got money heading out of the market. Guys, again, I know I'm a broken record, but you cannot have this indicator here and not predict good moves down. The reason why this is so accurate is that you can't have a higher high formation with price action and money moving out of the market. It literally means retail traders are being abandoned to the upside and the well money flows moving their money out. You guys need to get these indicators in the description. It's 82% off. I'm not going to push this too hard, but seriously, guys, come on now. Like, this is what we're using to predict these moves back down, and people are doing ridiculous amounts of profit. What I want to point your attention to now is look at where we're currently sitting with this. We are extremely low. The last time we got this low was back over here when we had this crash in the market, and then from here we actually saw a decent move back up, and I know it was a downtrend, but in an uptrend, this could easily just be what's called the higher low formation for a move back up. Let's look at something else now, and I will be going over the metrics because this is going to play a big role in today's analysis. Look at the fib retracement here. Take a high to the low. Could we be coming back down to this area? It's the same area we've been looking at. It's right around that $3,000 mark of the 50% retracement, also correlated to a nice structure. So $3,000 by the end of the week, guys, is not going to surprise me at all if that's what happens, okay? But watch that 441 on the S&P 500. Those of you guys who are scalping and you guys are getting into positions here, this is a very good place to look to get in. Here's why. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. You guys are looking for moves back up. We've got structure support here right around 3,236, and you guys could ride this up for 3 to 4%. What I want you guys to do as well is come over here and watch the masterclass. I will show you how to use really good risk management, because even on the video yesterday for Matic was a great entry for a long trade, but make sure you guys are using the risk management with the buy limits on the website. In case it goes down further, you guys are set up. It's going to be extremely hard to lose this trade, guys. Like, I've already been through, I hope nobody thinks this is bad. Like, we've literally traded through this entire like, this is what we've traded through already. This is nothing. And we still have never lost a trade trading through all of this. So once you guys have the indicators, get them in the subscription, in the description here. And then you guys will understand, once you have the masterclass under your belt and you guys understand how to trade that, you guys are going to do really, really well. Literally, we've got guys over here doing, I don't know if I showed you guys in the last Ethereum video. This guy did $6,310 with 80 in Solana. Okay, he's using the indicators and strategy. This guy did $3,500 using the indicators and metrics. $1,376 he did overnight. Okay, you guys, these people are using these metrics and they're keeping their accounts super safe. $43,000 is guided with the trend exhaustion and price as well money flow. These two indicators, they're in the description. Okay, I want to point that out. It's so fun to be getting into these markets. I actually love when the markets drop because we get more money into the markets and then it heads back up. We make more money. It's awesome, guys. It's what buy limits do. Once your first buy limit gets hit, and then your second, and then your third, you have more money in the market, and your break-even entry goes down. So when you're in the profit, you make more money than you ever would have going in with just all a first buy limit move. We don't FOMO into first buy limits, guys. We always, structure our money at support levels and Fibonacci retracements, bot levels, zones like that, and we get into good positions and we keep our account healthy. Okay, the emotional index, guys, was sitting up in the greedy and excited area. You cannot have a market pushed up this high without seeing moves back down. I've been circling this every single one of these videos. Look at this, look at this, look at this. You guys, we cannot be moved up into these areas without seeing healthy moves back down. Let me show you now how Wells and institutions were looking to short this the entire time. First, before we get there, long versus short trades. Short trades have been increasing the last few days and long trades moving out. As mentioned in the last Ethereum video, guys, this is a bearish sign. A bearish sign as we're seeing the market move up with divergence on well money flow, guys. Look for this divergence pattern. You guys want to call jackpot moves? There you guys go. Watch for the well money flow to make a high and a lower high and price action to make a high and another higher high. When we prove it to you guys again, watch this. Here's a high and here's another higher high. Look at this, moving up. Same duration, high, lower high. What happened after that? We saw the market move back down. Okay, look at this again, a high and another high. Look at this over here, high and a lower high. It's, guys, come on, like, this is jackpot moves you guys can get into here if you're just watching this. And that's for all of you guys who are doing short trades. Let me see if I can just find another one here real quick. I won't take too much time to do this, but I want to try to find you guys one in here for long trades in here because we definitely have them. We definitely have them for long trades here. Let me see if I can find one. I don't want to take too much time because I want to move on with this analysis. But here's a low and a higher low where you have a low and a lower low. Guess what? The market's going to move back up. It's actually the precursor to actually the entire market move back up. If you understand where money is flowing and you understand what price action's doing, you can see the manipulation from, honestly, some of the institutions. By the way, guys, I don't know if you know this, but a few days ago, Michael Saylor, over here at MicroStrategy, he bought $190 million of Bitcoin. He is down $5.9 million this morning because he bought up here on Bitcoin at about 45,714. I know we're on Ethereum, but he bought in very close to this top section up here, and now they're down $6 million this morning. I don't think they would have bought up there if they thought the whole market was going to crash. This is another reason why I think this is a temporary higher low formation to move back up. Okay, let's continue here. Watch this. Market cap strength on Ethereum. It's still holding really nicely. We're not seeing market cap completely drop out here. Now, watch the metrics as they update this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time because they're going to update in 52 minutes. So watch this. We may actually see market cap moving down here a little bit, but overall, I think it's going to probably stay sustained. Trades in favor, we're pushing up here into the good short trade area. So all my scalpers out there who ended up using the actual strongest strategy we teach, it is when you see this up into the good short trade or great short trade area, as well as when you have the emotional index up into the excited area, you are then just looking for this trend exhaustion to push in the top red section and well money flow to be high. Great job, guys. You all secured your 3 to 4%. You made your scalping profit. If you're using the strategy I taught you guys, the safest one, it is going to be extremely hard to lose money or even lose trades, honestly. And I say that confidently, holding the highest win rate on YouTube. And we've been doing this with live money, like $150,000 worth. Okay, look at this. Well, institutional smart money, they have been coming out here and shorting. I love to see you guys in the chat pulling up these charts here. You guys have been saying, man, with this much shorting power coming out here, the market eventually has to go down. Yes, you guys are correct. When you see institutions and smart money coming out here going short, they're not going to allow the price to keep going up. Last time this happened, we pushed us into a bear market cycle. Cycle is a lower high and lower low formation. A bull cycle is a higher high and higher low formation. They did this over here. They crashed the market down. They came out with shorts here. The market went down. Came out with shorts. The market went down. Guys, just over and over. Just look at what happens when these guys come out here and they try to take shorts. In this initial pump phase over here, yeah, we had some moments, but all those higher low formations were after they came out strongly with shorts. Did we see this? Okay. With this much accumulation over here with shorts, with smart money, this drop was expected in the market. You cannot keep going up this fast without something crazy happening. Support, $3,045. It's the support I'm looking at, guys. It is $3,000. That is where I'm looking at this week of a possible move back down. We really need to, if you guys are like, man, I really want this to head back up. Well, we kind of need to have that happen right now. But I don't think that's going to happen because, again, S&P 500, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here before we end this video. So stick around for that. I'll literally show you how to get into this. What we're seeing here is what I've been telling you guys. We need to watch this bounce zone here at 441. Everyone needs to mock this up, guys. 441 on the S&P 500. When we get here, most likely we will see a bounce back up in crypto as well as the S&P. So make sure you guys are watching that. Okay, let's get back over here, go through one more metric, and let's get you guys into a trade setup to show you how to do this. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys still took entries back down here, you guys are doing super, super well. I got into Ethereum back at 2250. I've shown that to you guys. I won't do it on this video because I've done it quite a bit. But we got in at 2250, which is over here. So I'm still holding a trade at the moment, and I called this out in Telegram. I'm still holding that trade and we're up 44%. Again, we're not worried about the dip. Even those of you guys who got in up here, don't worry about this. Okay, let me move us into a trade setup right now because I just updated like all of the buy limits on the website because obviously we're crashing this morning. Let me show you guys on Bitcoin. I will be doing a Bitcoin video today, so I'll keep some of that for later. For the update I do on Bitcoin later. Okay, here's how you guys are going to trade this. Let's pretend you're looking at this right now and you have extra money. You are going to see 4 yellow lines on Ethereum this morning. The same thing with Bitcoin. These are buy limits, okay, and a sell limit in green. Let's just say this is the sell limit up here. You're going to take whatever amount you want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so 250. Place 250 at each of the yellow lines, and then once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit for 100% exit. That's all you guys are doing. Once you do that, follow me in Telegram, and I will call all these exits for you guys. Guys, I have a decent amount of money in this trade here. I think it's over $25,000, I believe. I've got no, I'm sorry, this is Ethereum. I don't actually have too much in Ethereum. It's Cardano and EOS. I have quite a decent amount. About $8,600 I have in Ethereum right now. So I'm in this trade right now. So if you guys get in here and you guys join me on this buy limit, I will call out the exit in Telegram so you guys can take this exit with me. Guys, again, yes, I do believe this can head down further to $3,000. But once it does, I'm looking for that market move back up, guys. So I would look to still stay excited. And if you have some extra money, maybe actually purchase the dip here for a move back up or try to scalp this on the move back up and use the buy limits. Okay, guys, this is not something to be freaking out about. This is really simple. Okay, the indicators real quick, and we'll actually, let me show this to you guys first. You have no idea how to even access any of this stuff. Here we are, 121 wins, 0 losses. Guys, this is all you're paying, $95 a month. That's it. All the metrics are yours. The Telegram channel where you guys get all the entries and exits where I'm calling entry and exiting trades. We've never lost a trade. You get all that. Master classes, watch all of them. I teach hedge funds that are worth billions of dollars, these secrets that I've given out to you guys now, okay? The community chat is the coolest place to hang out online. I just got to say that because you guys are super awesome helping each other. And I'm going to be going live here on April 14th. So I think we've got like, 8 days left or so. In 8 days, I'm going to be going live. I'll send out a message in the Telegram channel and we're going to get on Zoom together as a family. I'm going to show you guys some things. I'm doing an open Q&A session. This is just going to be a blast. So the chat is open. Guys, hang out with your family members here. People are sharing their profits. People are sharing questions they have. Help each other out. Gives you guys honestly, for those of you guys who are like, I want a sense of purpose and I want to help people. Guys, get in the chat and help people. When we see that, we're going to reward you guys. Like we're going to give some people top author, top ranking status. So you guys know that people are commenting well, you're educated. It's just really fun. Last but not least, guys, the indicators. Get into a scalping position, guys. Really, this is actually a really good place to scalp the market with the support here, but use the buy limits. The 3 indicators you guys need: price result, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are 40% off if you use coupon code SAVEMONEY. Get the bundle pack today, guys. It is 82% off, and this is how our traders, like I showed you guys, had made $42,000. A guy's doing $100 to $400 a week on average. I quote him correctly, on average. He said he's making per week, and he's using the indicators and the metrics. You guys will get all 9 indicators right now with the bundle pack, and as a one-time purchase, you will also get the source code to all of our indicators, so nobody can take them away from you. Okay, nobody can take them away from you. If you guys want to see the profits people are making, go to the testimonial page and you can see this. This guy's averaging, Travis, $100 to $400 a week on average is what this guy's doing. He's using the indicators and the strategy that we've got. This guy on here is like, I have the indicators and I feel like a god. I'm like, let's talk about something like this. Let's pull this one up. I've earned about 20%. 20%. That's awesome. This guy down over here does $4,000 plus in 24 hours on the outlay of $20,000 just using the indicators. I'm telling you guys, that drop was called with the indicators. If we're looking at anything, it's the indicators that called it, as well as the well money flow, I would say, as well as the emotional index for our metrics. Once you guys have the power of this behind your hands before you make decisions, you're going to start being on this testimonial board over here, and feel free to send them in to us, guys. It's pretty ridiculous. So anyways, I had to show this to you guys. It's pretty incredible what people are doing over here, and I'm not concerned whatsoever. So guys, come join our family, sign up for a membership, get the indicators on your chart today, and let's keep making some money, because I'm going to be targeting 130 wins for 130 wins in the month of April, and I do think we can get here. This is just a temporary higher low formation for another move back up. Okay, guys, let's watch this. Keep your head up. God bless you guys so much. Everything you need is in the description, and let's make some more money together. We've never lost a trade. What about never having a losing trade again in crypto? It'd be pretty sweet, huh? Nobody who's ever joined us has ever lost a trade. And I say that humbly. I thank God that he's given us the wisdom to, come out here and have a strategy like this. And it's blessed a lot of people. And I'm very humbled by that. So come join us, guys. And I think you'll really like this. All right, guys, have a great day. And I'm going to come out with a couple more videos today to cover some market updates. And I'll see you guys later. Email us at bettradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions. Everything you need is linked in the description. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.